Welcome to CERATIZIT Balzheim, the Competence Center for Solid Carbide Round Tools for private label manufacturers. With decades of experience in the design and production of cutting tools, we are experts in the manufacture of customer-specific round tools for drilling, milling, and reaming. When it comes to customer-specific applications, our experience, customer focus, and expertise in development are particularly evident. Our multidisciplinary team of specialists in coding, tool design, and application engineering will support you in realizing your serial or special tools. You will always meet the needs of your customers with us as your partner for private label. Thanks to CAD design, simulation of tooling geometries, a professional project management team, and digitalized processes, you will get exactly the solution that you are looking for. We at CERATIZIT Balzheim guarantee our customers on-time delivery with a fixed replenishment lead time for both serial and special products. To make this possible, we rely on an up-to-date and fully equipped machine park of more than 100 CNC machines. Here, several million solid carbide tools are produced every year. Whether for production, development, or innovation, at CERATIZIT Balzheim, everything is state-of-the-art, and we assist you all the way. Our tooling lab, for example, takes care of the testing and documentation of our systematically carried out benchmark and endurance exams in our in-house machine park. Our fully automated Quality Assurance Center makes sure that all private label tools from CERATIZIT measure up to the highest standards of quality. When it comes to warehousing and logistics, we specialize in customer-specific labeling and packaging. Depending on your preference, we can supply your products also with laser marking. Sustainability and an efficient energy management are important to us. That is why we use an adsorption refrigeration system with dry recooling and waste heat recovery, allowing us about 100 tons of CO2 savings every year. With this improved energy performance, we conform to the ISO 50001 Energy Management Standard. Furthermore, we aim to conserve primary resources by offering a regrinding service for those worn tools on the original machines and programs and by using recycled carbide. Our production plants for solid carbide round tools all over the world are disposed with high and flexible production capacities, no matter where you are. With our all-around package, we are your ideal partner for your successful private label business. We look forward to working with you.